Welcome student. Welcome student. Now we will let us understand this picture. This picture is a world map through which we are going to understand what exactly it means. Okay, so here we saw the different location, different things happen. Okay, here are continents, that is North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, and here Australia. Okay, and there are oceans also. At the north place we have Arctic Ocean, then between the Africa and America we have Atlantic Ocean, and down towards the India, that is Indian Ocean. So and beyond, near Australia we have Pacific Ocean. So these are the main ocean on the earth. We have now in this picture we have divided the whole world in imaginary lines of longitude and latitude. Okay, here are the longitudes, the Greenwich line, where the time is being 12 noon, that is 0. Here we have 0. Okay, this line is considered as a Greenwich line, so it is the standard time of the world. And from here we have the degrees which are started going to the east and west. Here, from here is the degrees towards east, that is 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. So each degree is divided into, here the difference is of 15 degrees. Difference is of 15 degrees. Okay, now at the west, look at the west. From Greenwich line, it is also started with the 15 degrees. It is right down as a 15 degrees west, 45 degrees west. Okay, so whole world is divided into this type of degrees. Now look at the upper line where we have a 12 noon. This is 12 noon. Okay, here we have 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, and at the left side we have the morning time. This is morning and this is afternoon. Okay, so let us consider, here are some pictures. Okay, let us consider these pictures through which we come to know about the division into degrees. So let us understand this map. Look at the picture. Here the first picture at Tokyo, there is a night, because the time is being the Tokyo is placed at 135 degree east. Okay, 135 degree east. And there is a midnight period on the 180 degree. On the 180 degree, it is midnight. Okay. And now here we have this picture, another picture, that is the of the student that is of the Patna, and he is going to school. So it is the time, it is the 90 degree east. It is the 90 degree east, towards the east. Okay. And this is a morning period in the Patna, and the student is going to school. And here we have afternoon in Africa, that is the city Accra. The girl is eating lunch of afternoon, okay, to the 15 degrees west. Time is 11 o'clock. And here at the 90 degree west, there is evening, or an evening time is 6 o'clock in the evening. Okay, and he is going to bed. So this picture gives us exact knowledge about the time, degree, and place. Okay. Let us continue with this map. Understand the map. Here is the sunrise in the New Orleans, while midnight is in the Pacific Ocean, that is in Alaska, while there is lunch at the mid time, that is Greenwich Mean Time, GMT, which is a standard time of the world. And here we have Indian Standard Time at 90 degree, 82.30 degrees towards east. Okay. This is Indian Standard Time. Okay. Here are timing, that is midnight 12 o'clock. After that, at 180 degree, then at 165 degrees longitude, we have 1 o'clock, then 2 o'clock. So each degrees are differs through 1 hours. Okay, now 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8, 9, 10. So at Indian time, African time, Accra is at these things happen due to the rotation of the earth. Let us have an example to how to calculate the hours. Here is a statement example, that is the Mashhad, a town in Iran, is located on the 60-degree east longitude. When it is 12 o'clock at the Greenwich, calculate the local time of the Mashhad town. As we move towards the east of a prime meridian, the local time increases by 4 minutes for every longitude. The difference between the longitudes of the Greenwich and Mashhad is a 60 degree. So let us go to the picture. 60-degree difference. Okay. Here, okay, the Greenwich to Mashhad is a difference of, so it is Mashhad is the city in Iran and this is the place of Mashhad. Here on this longitude. Okay, so we have difference from difference of 60 degrees from here to here. Okay, this is a 60 degree, 0 to 60 degree. Okay, now let us go to that example. Here, okay. So the total degree and local time difference is about 4 minutes. So 60 into 4 is equal to 240 minutes. So minutes are written as a like this. Here minutes have written like this. Okay. If we write down 4, then minutes are written as a upper colon. and 240 divided by 60 minutes, we got the answer, that is the 4 hours. Okay. So here in this, let us consider the another example, that is the city Manaus in Brazil is located on the 60-degree west longitude. What would be the local time at Manaus when it is 12 noon at Greenwich? So we have to calculate, and send me a photograph of this statement. Okay. So students, here we completed this first lesson. With the explanation of the local time and international standard time. Now we will start with another point of this lesson, that is the universal standard time. Okay. In the next lecture.